Good morning mga boss, your Kuya Elmer here from Kuya Elmer to Trade. It's April 28, 2025. So today mga boss, padong karon na sa one of our tie-up dealer here in Cebu City kay one of our follower from Lassie, Secure. So tautad na sa nato ni follower si ma'am. Kay gusto niya ipa-demo. Actually do ka unit na itong i-demo niya. Doon ni ka choices. It's 2016 Toyota Wigo G that runs with 60 plus Udo only for only 348,000. And then second option niya is 2015 Mitsubishi Mirage GLX automatic transmission that runs with 20 plus, I guess Udo na to siya kilometers. So this is only 365. Of course negotiable, both of these units are negotiable and free transfer of ownership. So let's go mga boss. So ma'am, finally naabot na ta sa unit. So to be 2016 Mitsubishi Mirage GLX hatchback. Yan, nakanindot ani ma'am sa white color, kung pindi pangita sa market. So again, this runs only with 30,000 plus mileage only, city drive. So you can see ang unit na to super kayo ka hinugid kayo. So let's go check natin interior, exterior, functions, engine and everything. So let's go.
He said daylight come on, we wanna go home. I said, he said, daylight come on, we wanna go home. Work all night.